The library will be closed for 3 days over the bank holiday weekend. I think we should get together this weekend to discuss this assignment. You don't have to be on Professor Smith's course to attend his lecture. Most of the criticism can be shown to be false. I am afraid Professor Jones doesn't suffer flus gladly. Many privately owned firms have been eaten by larger corporations. The modern approach to the simple problem is to stress the symbolic side of human nature. Without doubt, his primary motive was economics. Does the university have an ice hockey team? If you want to quit the student union, tell the registrar. Most of the students are not eligible to claim the housing benefits. Please have the copies of your seminar papers in the library a week in advance. Many of the popular courses are available online. I thought the midterm exam was only worth half our course grade. When I was in school, I had many of the same problems you do now. If your parents come to visit you this semester, where will they stay? I think the university's main campus is closed. I'll check again, but I am pretty sure that we are supposed to read chapter 2. Does the professor keeps regular office hours? Of course, you can also choose to have your grades emailed to you. There will be a significant rise in tuition fees starting next year. There is a position available for junior lecturer in medical studies. The Drama Society is auditioning for parts in student play. He was not the only one to call for legal reform in the 16th century. All essay and seminar papers submitted must be emailed to your tutor. Does the college refectory have vegetarian dishes on a daily basis? There are 100 of clubs and societies to choose from. Make sure you correctly cite all your sources. The lecture will deal with the influence of technology on music. The Arts magazine is looking for a new assistant editor. The nearest automatic teller is in front of the anatomy lab. He started his tutorial presentation right on time. The final year consists of 4 taught subject and 1 project. High number of patients have been infected with the previous illness. Successful applicants will work with a large team of researchers. The university has world-renowned School of Archaeology. There will be a conference next summer on using the web for academic research. Sydney's Australia's largest city, cheap port and cultural centre. Most teaching staff make their lecture notes available online. All students are encouraged to vote in the forthcoming elections. New timetables will be posted on the student notice board. There will be no extension given for this project. You must establish a day and the time with your tutor. The lecture on child psychology has been postponed until Friday. There is plenty of accommodation off campus. Next time, we will discuss the influence of the media on public policy. You'll find the economics section on the second floor of the library. Please come to the next seminar properly prepared. The only thing standing between you and your goal is the story you keep telling yourself.